Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Odoo Team integration in Odoo by BrowseInfo. It is a collaborative module that connects Microsoft Teams with your Odoo platform, enabling smoother communication and team coordination. With its integration, user can sync tasks, meeting and updates between Odoo and Microsoft Teams, streamlining workflow and improving productivity. It enhances real-time collaboration by bridging project management, CRM, and other Odoo modules with your team's daily communication tool. So first of all, we will go into our calendar module, open that, and here under configuration, we will find a menu for Teams connection. Open that, and here you need to create a new Teams connector. Click on new to create your new team connector. Name your connection. I will be naming BrowseInfo as my connection. Now, after naming your connection, there will be a tab for connection settings. Under that, you need to add the Microsoft Azure credentials. So for that, enter your client ID. So here I have entered my client ID. After client ID, I will be adding my client secret. So here I will be adding my client secret. After that, I need to add my tenant ID. So here I will be adding my tenant ID. After this, I'm going to save this connection. So here you can see all my data is saved. Now here you can see my account is created in the calendar. So here you can go into the calendar and check that. So now here you will find a button for connect with Teams. And as soon as I click on the button, you need to sign in first to your Microsoft account. So here I will be adding my email to sign in and click on next button. Here you need to enter your password. So here I will be entering my password and I'm going to click on sign in. Here after signing you will get a code. So you need to select this code from your email. So here as I have selected this code from email and after clicking on yes, you can see that the connection is connected successfully. Here you can see the connected banner. Now here you can see the connection is successful. After this, we will go into our Microsoft account and in here we will find a menu for calendar. Here you can see the present month's calendar. Here you can see the calendar. Now again we will come into our Odoo interface and this time we are going to click on calendar. Here we are going to create a new meeting. So just click on new and we are going to give a subject to our meeting. So I am giving the subject to our meeting as meeting regarding management. So here you can see I have given the subject to our meeting and under that you need to add the start and end date and time for the meeting. So I will be adding 12 to 2:30 to my meeting. So here you can see I have scheduled a meeting for 2 hours from 12:30 to 2:30. Now after this you can add the location if you want, you can add the video call URL if you want, and you can add the tags from here. I will be selecting my tag as internal meeting. You can add the privacy, you can add your organizer, and you can add the description. So for the description I will be adding please join meeting as soon as possible. Here you can see I have added my description in here. Now after this I'm going to save the meeting and you can see a meeting is scheduled. Now here you will find a button for create Teams meeting and we are going to click on that. Now here you can see your meeting is creating. So here you can see that the Teams event ID is updated in here. Now we are going into our Microsoft account and here on today's date the meeting is scheduled. If you click on that you can see the subject of the meeting. You can join from here. You can see the timing of the meeting. You can see the Odoo virtual marketing. Here you can see the description which we have added into our meeting. Here you can see the description. Here you can see the meeting is scheduled on 15th of May. After this, if we disable this toggle, you can see the meeting according to the timing. Here you can see from 12:30 to 2:30 the meeting is scheduled and you can see the details in here. Now, for the update team meeting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my time for the meeting. So instead of 12:30, I will be conducting the meeting from 2:30 to 4:30. Here you can see I have changed the time for the meeting. I'm going to save it. Here the meeting is from 2:30 to 4:30. After this, I'm going to click on button update team meeting. So as soon as I click on the button, and if I go and check into my calendar, here you can see that the meeting is updated from 2:30 to 4:30 in your calendar also. You can open and check all the details in here also. You can see the subject of the meeting, the timing, and every little detail regarding your meeting in here. Now, after this, again, we will go into our Odoo interface. And now, if I want to delete this meeting, if I just created by mistake, if I click on delete team meeting, you can see the meeting is deleted. If I come and check in my calendar also, you can see my meeting is deleted from my calendar also. Now, again, we will go into our Odoo interface, and now I am going to create a new meeting. Here, I am going to give my meeting a subject. So this time I will be entering my subject as internal stand-up meeting. As we all know that stand-up meeting occurs regularly. So I will be adding the start time as 10:30 to 11:30. So here you have seen that I have scheduled a meeting for 1 hour. Now here you will find a boolean for recurrent. Now as soon as I click on the boolean, you can see the time zone has appeared. You can select the time zone in here, and here you will find a field for repeat. You can repeat it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can add your custom time. So I am going to select weekly, and you can select on which day you want to reoccur this meeting every week. So I will be selecting Thursday. Now after this, you can select the until, you can select the number of repetitions, end date, and forever in here. So I will be selecting forever in here. After this, we are going to save this meeting, and here you can edit your recurring event if you want. Otherwise, just leave it like that. Now after this, we are going to click on create team meeting. So here you can see that your meeting is being created into your calendar. So now if I go into my calendar and I'm going to enable this toggle, now I will be seeing my calendar for the month, and you can see from today onwards, every Thursday there will be a internal stand-up meeting. If I go to next month, if I select the June 1, here you can see every day meeting for your stand-up is being scheduled in your calendar. So like this, you can just schedule your recurring meetings every week, daily or yearly, just as you want. Now I'm going to click on update meeting if you want to update your meeting, or you can just delete the meeting if you want. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.